Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be tomato and mushroom pasta. It's a very simple to make. Let's go cooking. Here's the ingredients you will need. Cut a cross shape slightly at the base of each tomato. Add in the tomatoes into a pot of boiling water. Once the skin starts to come off, remove the tomatoes and put them in cold water immediately. Use a knife or your fingers to peel the skin off. This is the easiest way to peel off the tomato skin. Remove the core of the tomatoes. You can either use a knife to cut it one round at the top or just chop off the top. Cut them into small pieces. Slice the tomatoes. And the cooking begins. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and add in the spaghetti in a pot of boiling water. Cook for around 10 minutes. 1 minute before the pasta is cooked, you may start to prepare to stir fry them. At medium heat, add in enough olive oil to cover the base of your pan. Add in the garlic and stir fry them. When it starts to turn brown, add in the mushrooms. Once the mushroom starts to soften, add in the pasta. Stir fry them for a while and add in the condiments for the pasta. If it becomes too dry, add in some pasta water. Remove the pasta and place them in a plate. Then add some grated cheese on top. Let's prepare the tomato sauce. At medium heat, add in the tomatoes into the pan. Add in 2 teaspoons of tomato paste and 1 cup of pasta water. Close the lid and let it simmer for around 5 minutes. Once the tomatoes are softened, add in the condiments and let the sauce become thicker. Once you are able to separate the sauce using a ladle, turn off the heat. The sauce will continue to be thickened. Scoop the sauce and drip them above the spaghetti. Sprinkle the parsley as much as you want, and it's done! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you liked the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!